So over here at Legoland, where do you get a chance to eat? Today we're going to find out. Well, thank you for stopping by. We are Echo Travel Ventures. We are a travel company or travel channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because we do post 2 times a week, Tuesday and Thursday. And don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like as well. If you have any other questions, we are going to show you off resort as well in this video, and what you can eat in the park. Keep in mind that wherever you do choose to eat may not always be open. We come here a few times where the pizzeria is closed and sometimes it's open, so just keep that in mind when you come. With you guys, we are trying to branch out to different kind of videos for you guys. We really do hope you enjoy this video. So the first place we come across is the coffee company in Legoland, established in 2021. It's right inside here, right across the way from the cake. And it has different kind of coffees and a little bit of a bakery selection as well. Ranges are from $5 for espresso, Americano, cappuccino and such. And pastries range between $4 and $5. We haven't been inside here. This is fairly new, but it's a good way to start your morning when you first come here. Get a nice little cup of coffee. So I think one of our favorite things that we always like doing behind here is when you have the pizza guy always talking about, get your pizza. This place looked like it was open today, but it is now closed. We are here about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Pizzas range from $8.25 for cheese, pepperoni, and veggie, and a $7 salad. You can get cookies and everything like that here. And this is, again, right across the way from the refreshment and the cake. Now this is Amber's favorite place. Granny's apple fries. Over here you can get an apple fries and drink for $7.25. Nice little refreshment. I don't really care for this that much, but Amber loves this place. You can get all different kind of fixings. And coming around towards Miniland, we have pizza and pasta, all you can eat, $19 for adults, $13 for children. I can be honest, I don't remember ever seeing this place open, but they do look like they were open earlier today, because there are people sitting inside and cleaning up. So I think it all varies by when and how many people are in the parks and everything else. But it looks like it might be a pretty decent place to eat. And we are right across the way from the pizza and pasta place. We have ice cream parlor. They do have some ice cream sandwiches and different kind of popsicles. They do have water and soda as well. Though not food related, we do have Pirate Fest weekends coming up. Select dates in January and February. There was a lot of fun that we went to last year. I think it'll be fun this year as well. And over here in the Technic area of the park, they had the funnel cake factory. We've eaten here before. They have a lot of different variations. They have the sugar funnel cake, the fruity funnel cake, cheesecake, and every once in a while for different parts of the year, they had different themes as well. For 4th of July, they had a red, white, and blue, which is pretty cool. Probably one of the most popular places because it's always open. As you leave the Technic portion of the park, Lego City's off towards this way. It is the Burger Kitchen. Amber and I have eaten here a few times. Hasn't been too bad. It actually has, the cheeseburger's not bland like most places. It actually is pretty good. So for the kids, we have chicken tenders and a cheeseburger. And then we have a Dispatch Classic cheeseburger, a crispy Kraken barbecue bacon cheeseburger, a fire cheese chicken sandwich, a veggie burger, and fish and chips. All ranging between $11 and $12. It's really good. So over here in the Imagination Panini Grill, they had different sandwiches, all ranging from $11, snacks are $7, and they have drinks and salads as well. And this is over here right before you go into Lego City. It's over right over here where they have the panini place. Okay, we've never eaten here before because usually it's been closed when we came. But it's really cool that they actually are trying to open more places up for people to eat. And one of the most common places to come get a popsicle, ice cream, pretzel, popcorn, nachos or whatever is right over here at the city snack bar. They also have different types of things for the holidays and different events as well. As we enter into Lego City, they also have a couple other places that you can eat. Oh, they have 2 places, an ice and a diner. We'll go in here and take a look. Before we get too far, look at this. That's really cool. It goes from a Christmas tree to a fountain of Lego dudes. That's totally cool. And how fast, because Christmas just ended not too long ago. Wow. Lego City Fire Department Firehouse Ice Cream also has a lot of different themed things throughout the year. But you can come over here and get a single scoop for $4, a double scoop for $5, a float for $6.50, and a sundae for $5 and $6.50. And they have different toppings and everything else. One year they actually had a cookie dough type snack for the Halloween year. It was really good, really sweet. But it's a good place to come just to get out of the sun, have some ice cream and cool off. And Kickin' Chicken Company Drive-In Diner. I recently just ate here. This place was really good. The chicken had really good flavor to it. Wasn't like your typical stuff. So you have sandwich meals for $11, your tender meal for $10, and a family sharing bucket with 16 pieces, $36. You had a kids meal with an Uncrustable and a 2-piece chicken. Then you have some sides and drink as well. They even have a kale salad for $7. But it's really cool. The theming's really neat. And this is right across the way from, oh wow, that's new. I'll have to go check it out in a minute. From the driving school. So we got Lady Liberty right here in Lego City. Wow, that looks amazing. It's brand new. You can tell because everything's just nice and crisp, not faded by the sun. What would make it better is if that torch actually lit up. I don't know, we'll see how dark it gets. Now we're going to venture back out towards Ninjago and see what they have to offer as well. We're going to walk in here. They only have one place to eat inside here, and we'll take a look. So the only place to eat in here is called the Ninja Kitchen. Master your appetite. I don't see a menu. I've only seen this place open once. It's not a dig on Legoland. It's just there's not enough people to man sometimes, or it's not even not enough people to even have everything open as far as like guest attendance. But this is right across the way from Jay's lighting drill and then Ninjago ride. But the menu does look pretty good if I remember correctly. If I can find a picture, I'll post a picture. Right across the way from Dino Ducks and the Coastosaurus ride, they have the Ultimate Sandwich Builder. Now, we've ate here once when they had a special going on with as far as like the for like a special event, but this place wasn't that bad either to eat. They have like brisket mac and cheese and stuff like that. I don't see a menu either, but it's really decent place to eat. So right over here they have Kingdom Cones. It's right after the entrance from Land of Adventure. You have a little kid playground, and then you have a location here to get ice cream. They have a soft serve waffle cone, a kid's soft serve waffle cone, and then you can add different things to it. Now, every once in a while, for like different holidays like Christmas and Halloween and stuff like that, they do have a special type ice cream. Like for Christmas, they have mint and stuff like that. It's really good. Another one of the most popular areas to get something to eat is right over here by the castle. It's called Dragon's Den. You can get a king dog for $7.50, a knight's dog for $7.50, a prince dog, dragon legs, and a mini dog. So is our $4. It is pretty popular. The line usually backs up. The line usually backs up to all the way over here and so on. But we haven't eaten here, but I'm sure it's pretty good. It's just basic hot dogs and everything. Like I said, it's right here. It's called Dragon Den. So over here they have a place called Taco Every Day. They've taken Taco Tuesday and stretched it out. This is over here in the Lego Movie World. This restaurant is across the way from the Masters of Flight It is right next to the Everything is Awesome store, and where you can meet Emmett and his friends. But I have seen lines out pretty long here as well. Just another place to get food. I think this is going to be the final place that we find while we are here, and we will go off resort and show you where you can eat there. Over in Duplo Valley, the only place you can do anything as far as eat or drink is over here at the refill station. I've never seen anywhere else you can eat. Right before is the Granny's apple fries, and that's it. So like I said, it's $15.99, and you get a mug and you get free refills. 2 is $14.99 each, and 3 is $13.99 each. And as we're walking out, I'm going to go over here inside here to Lego Factory and see what they have to offer. Normally this is pretty closed up, so it'd be kind of cool just to see what they offer. Right now I can see that they offer Legos that you can buy by the piece, something that you normally can't do at like other Lego stores. Oh wow, they have like suitcases. They have the Manchester United, Go United. Oh, they have the Assembly Square. I definitely need that for my Lego city at home. And then you can buy the different pieces. Wow. So, just so you have an idea, it is $8.99 per quarter pound of Lego that you get. I don't know how much a quarter pound looks like as far as Legos, but I'm sure it is not a lot. Since we moved into our new place, I am definitely going to be buying Legos by the piece, so that way I can build a couple things that I cannot normally buy. But these are really, really cool that they have. Moving forward, I'm glad that they're bringing out stuff like this, that you can be creative. They have a typewriter, they have a piano. I thought about doing this for our YouTube room, and we can change like different places that we've been, change the different colors. I think that'd be kind of cool, but I think that'd be kind of hard to do necessarily. They even have a Santa's Village and all that kind of stuff that I probably wouldn't use in my Lego city. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but I do like this truck. And they have a couple of Duplo villages as well. And let's take a look over here before we head out. They have different architecture type thing. They have the Taj Mahal. They have the Dubai skyline, Paris, the White House, and Singapore. I've been to Singapore many years ago. And that's pretty much it. Either I'm going to go find a place inside the Lego store and see what's new there, or you'll see me off resort and I will be filming what there is to eat there. As I was walking out, I forgot to mention that they do have 2 places in here that you can eat. One is only for hotel resort guests, and the other one is open to anybody, but on reserved time. So you might want to do some research before you come out here and do that. Contact them to see what time they are open and if they need reservations or not. Okay, so Legoland is over here. Right across the way is Publix, where you can go get groceries. There's a China place and a Mediterranean location. I ate at the China place. The China place isn't really that bad. It's really, it's good. It's inexpensive too. You have Ruby Tuesdays right over here. It's kind of like a Chili's, but not as spicy. It's really, really different. They have a salad bar that you can go to and all that kind of stuff. The salad bar actually is not included in most of your meals, so that's something that you have to kind of think about. But the hickory bourbon that they have is really good. Moving over here, they have Taco Bell, which also does breakfast. You have down here more further, you have like a Wendy's, you have a Moe's, Let me see if I can get on the street a little bit. See it that far. So you have a Golden Corral across, and you have Azteca. It's like a Tex-Mex type place to eat, and it's really not that expensive. They did raise their price a little bit because of the whole inflation thing that's going on that we all have had to come through, but for the most part, it's still reasonably priced. Golden Corral, like it says down there, they also have a Moe's. Now, this is the light right here. That's the light for Legoland. Take a left, that's how you get over on this side. If you take a right off the right, as you leave Legoland, you go all the way around, you have Walmart. Walmart, you have Zaxby's, which isn't bad. There's a McDonald's down the way, and there's authentic New York pizza. So there's a couple of locations down here within less than a mile of drive time as well. So there's a lot of different areas that you can kind of choose from. Oh, I forgot they have a Domino's pizza here too. That's not too far. But other than that, the places to eat are reasonable. It's not like Universal and Disney where you have to go miles off the resort to go get a place. This is like really, really close. It's not walkable distance from where you parked your vehicle at the park, but it's still pretty close. I mean, after all, that is the castle from the park itself. So just kind of keep that in mind as you kind of venture around to find places to eat. Well, that does it for now. I'm back in the truck. Just got finished up with everything I was doing. Like I said, there's a lot of different options to eat inside the park and outside. I wasn't necessarily digging on Legoland. I know Legoland is experiencing, like all other locations, staff storages and stuff like that, where they can't open up everything. So with that being said, they are working on trying to open as many places as they can for you guys to eat. They might rotate or whatever. Now, when I went here for Christmas, a lot of the places were open to eat. So that's where it kind of comes around, that theory that a lot of the areas that are in the park to eat are a result of how many people are actually in the park. They don't have a reservation system, so you can just first come, first serve, all that kind of stuff. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. We are willing to answer any questions. We've tried a lot of places on this strip to kind of give you guys a better idea. Feel free to ask questions. I am here for the next 3 weeks-ish or so I can always stop by and try something for you guys if you need something. Just keep in mind, I am kind of picky, so nothing too extravagant. Other than that, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, guys. We really appreciate it. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're so close, and we really would hope, if you guys feel the need to subscribe, please do. Because not only do we do a lot of things here within Central Florida, but we're also branching out to do a lot more travel videos throughout the United States. So please, by all means, if travel is the name of your game, please subscribe so you can kind of see where we go to. Maybe you can offer a suggestion if you're in the area that's close to us. But other than that, guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.